In the back, they have the clearance section. These bananas are ripe. So we have lunch for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll find some good stuff on here. Here's my lunch. I got a burger and a bowl. Okay, it's almost 7 and I got hungry again. Hey guys, I am just getting in from church and it's hot. I probably sound like a broken record, but it's 104 today, so not as hot as yesterday. Yesterday was like 108. But this is what I wore to church. I had my sandals on, but I took them off, of course, when I walked in the door. But the little cargo jeans, you guys have seen these before from Forever 21 that are thrifted, and they were like $10. And then this is a shirt that our church makes. And then I have my sandals on. I am about to go and eat because I haven't eaten anything. I think I'll make a burger and a bowl because I have some Beyond Burgers. So maybe I'll do that. Let me turn this light off. But I think I'll make a burger and a bowl. I have my soup that I actually made. When did I make that soup? Last week? But I didn't eat it, so I'm gonna freeze it right now. Cause I was eating like barbecue chicken salads all week. So I am going to freeze my soup first, and then I'll make my burger in a bowl. Put you guys up there. I went to Ralph's and I just got a few things right after church. I went to Ralph's. So in the back, they have the clearance section. These bananas are ripe, and so they sell them. So I'm just gonna freeze them. I might leave one out to eat because I don't mind eating ripe bananas. On sale for $1.93, and this one was on sale too. So this will be for my burger. I got these were on sale, grain free, and I haven't tried this popcorn before, Simple Truth, but I love popcorn just as like a little snack. It says whole grain purple popcorn, non-GMO. We're gonna pop some of this to see how it tastes. I think popcorn is way better than, of course, eating like chips and stuff for a snack. So I do that, and I rarely use butter on it. I will do coconut oil and some salt. So anyway, okay, first up, these are the frozen bananas that I already have in the freezer. So now I'm going to peel these and freeze these because I use that to make smoothies. I use that to make ice cream because I'll make lately I've been doing like chocolate ice cream. So the banana, the cocoa powder, what else? Honey, milk, so good. Frozen banana, and I'll do that. Okay, one of these that are not so ripe, I'll leave this one out. Oh, this one looks good too. I don't even know how much these were, but they put them at a discount because they're so ripe. So let's peel the bananas, but that's it. I don't think I'm doing anything else today. Did I wash my hands? Hold on, let me wash my hands. Church was really good. They were talking about fear and how fear can consume you and just mess you all up, keep you from moving on. There was a good quote. I forgot. Who was the quote by? Was it Spurgeon, Jim, about the bird's nest? The quote said something like, you can't stop a bird from flying over your head, but you can stop him from building a nest in your hair. Meaning like you ain't gonna be able to stop the bad things that happen to you in life or whatever, the mishaps. But are you gonna just sit down and die, or are you gonna keep on moving? Right? So that's a good message. That's something that you can always remind yourself, like, things are gonna happen, but we gotta keep on pushing. We gotta keep on pushing. So that's that. Okay, so I got all my frozen bananas in here. I'm not making anything right now, but I might make some ice cream later. Who knows? Freeze that. And I think I'll do... Oh, let me show you my soup real quick. Let me throw... I need to... Our city has like a green waste, so you're supposed to like throw all your pills or whatever in the green waste, like your food waste, your scraps. Sometimes I do it and sometimes I don't, but I'm gonna throw these in the green waste today. I'll be right back. All right, here's my Beyond Patty. Sprayed it with some avocado oil spray. I think I'll just put a little bit of Flavor God on here, which has no flavor. It's low sodium, no fillers. It doesn't have a lot of flavor to me. We'll do a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of pepper, and that should be good. So let's do that. More pepper. Then I'll flip it over in a minute. Okay, let's look at the soup. I still had it in the slow cooker thing. Oh well. I buy these to eat with my soup. So oh, he do look older now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some in here. All right, here we go. So we have lunch for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll figure out Friday. We'll figure out Friday later. I'll probably make a salad or something. Not a big deal. Okay, so that's that. Our burger is doing really well. I've flipped it a few times already. So just let that cook. I seasoned it on both sides. And now I just need to get the lettuce and stuff. So let me do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Making potatoes. Oh, so this, spray this. $3.75 for probably like 20-30 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna do my overnight oats for tomorrow. I just do a half a cup. So we'll put this in the refrigerator for tomorrow's breakfast. I got a bunch of old lettuce. This is actually not, we'll find some good stuff on here. And I'm gonna mix it with this. Here's my lunch. I got a burger in a bowl. I just put some of my regular salad dressing on there from Trader Joe's. Tomato, pickles, a little bit of onions if you can see it under there, mayonnaise and mustard. I put some barbecue sauce on the burger. And then I just made some potatoes. And that is it. Now I'm gonna go sit down and eat because I haven't really rested all day. I probably won't. Will I eat all this? I probably eat all this. I probably eat all this. I'm hungry. And I'm tired. And I'm hot. Okay, so I'm gonna go probably watch Chimp Crazy on HBO Max. So good. I need to make a separate video about that. But anyway, I'm gonna go watch Chimp Crazy and I will see you guys later. Well, I get the clean plate award. Look at that. Pretty much finished all my potatoes and I finished all of my burger in the bowl. I didn't think I would. Now I am so full. I probably won't eat dinner tonight because what time is it? It's 4 o'clock already. I can't see myself eating dinner, like eating a full dinner, so I probably will just it looks so gloomy outside. There's a fire that's probably about an hour, 45 minutes maybe away from us, so I think it might be having the sky overcast. But anyway, it looks gloomy. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I can't see myself eating a full dinner. It's 4 o'clock. I go to bed at 9:30, so I'll probably have, I don't know, maybe some ice cream or something. The banana ice cream that I told y'all I make it chocolate or whatever. Maybe I'll have that for dinner. I don't know. Oh, I found a new show. It's kind of not new, but it's new to me. I just saw it on HBO Max. It's called Family Empire Houston. It must have come on OWN first, and then OWN must put it on Max, because when I looked it up, because I never heard of it. I was just scrolling through HBO Max, but when I looked it up, I saw that it started in June 28th. So anyway, it's good. If you guys don't know, I've only been through like almost one episode, but it's a family in Houston. They're black, called the Braden family, and so they have like a real estate group and all that stuff. I love black excellence. I love real estate, so I'm like, this show is gonna be good, so I'm gonna start watching it. And that is it. Okay, let me clean up this kitchen. Okay, it's almost 7 and I got hungry again, so I'm going to make the chocolate ice cream that I told you guys about with frozen banana, some ice, some cocoa powder, and I'm gonna do cashew milk. Cashew milk, because I have some left that I need to use. I've made this, I want to say on my Instagram, but I don't know, it's been a long time. The cocoa powder, where is it? I might have left it over here. Yeah. Okay, this Nativa Organics cocoa powder. I got this at Costco. So just a tablespoon of that. And they'll give you recipes on the back. So there's a chocolate banana smoothie recipe. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna follow. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have ice, banana, cocoa powder, a little bit of honey, almond butter, all of that. I'm sure I've made this on here before, you guys. I know I have. So we are going to blend it up in our sturdy little Vitamix. Start at the bottom. Okay, I think the consistency came out pretty good here. You want it to be kind of thick, right? I'm gonna sit it in the freezer for a little while. But this is my bowl. When I went to Color Me Mine with my friends, we did that. See that? I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna let it freeze a little bit. Eat it in a little while. And then I'm gonna put on top some coconut, some walnuts, some cocoa nibs. I'll probably put a little bit of peanut butter in there. It's gonna be so good. Here's the ice cream. I just put some granola, pecans, coconut, cocoa nibs are under there too. Yummy.